Hi guys, in this video tutorial we will lock our WhatsApp chat. So click on WhatsApp option over here and click on the three dots on the top right corner. So as you can see, setting option, click on setting option. So just navigate to bottom and click on chats option. So chat lock option is not showing over here. So go back and click on the privacy option. So once you will click on privacy, scroll down, you can see a option of chat lock. So click on chat lock. So simply here you can add chat lock over here. So go back, and if you want to add any of your contact in your chat lock, so simply select those content and click on the chat lock option. So you can see a log chat option is just showing on the top. So I have just simply logged two of my chats over here. So as you can see, my two chats are logged, and if I want to unlink or unlock my chats, click on any chat and simply click on unlock the chats. So as you can see, one chat is showing over here. So if you want to add more setting, you can click on three dots on top right corner, and simply here you can create a code if you want to remove those chat lock options. So I have just enter a three digits. So I just enter again for the confirmation. So you can enter again and just click on the hide log chat option. So in this way you can hide the log chat option over here as well. So just confirm your code again. So in this way you can hide your chat lock option, and you can use those key which you have set for your chat. By searching those key, you can easily navigate to your chats. As like I'm just searching my the key which I have just entered, and it will show me my chat. So in this way you can hide chat, and you unlock and unlock your chats as well. So as you can see, I'm just typing my key 1234, and it will show a lock chat option for me, and the chat which I lock is shown over here. So this method is working fine, and you can easily use if you want to hide any of your chats. Due to privacy concern, you can hide our chats over here. So I hope so you enjoy this video. So simply, if you want to unlock your chats and if you want to remove settings, you can click on this and just simply click on continue option, and just remove or turn off the secret key. So in this way you can easily remove or unlock your chats. So I hope so enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.